Yo, Thomas, what is up, man? What up, Big Thomas? Big broski Thomas. What's up, Aaron? What's up, boys? What's happening? Sorry, boys, just doing the posts to tell everyone that I'm live, and then we are good. Thomas, am I in a sell? No, I'm not in a sell. Why would it look like I'm in a sell, Thomas? Chilling at the moment. Let's go. Good trade today, yeah. Good trade today, man. Beautiful trade. Total of just over 100 pips in the end between both trades. So 100 pips. What was it? What was the total profit? $2,432.20 profit. So yeah, beautiful trade today. Pre-London session. Didn't see the other side look like he was waiting for a start. Oh, nah, yeah. Only looking at buys on gold at the moment, bro. Based on the higher time frames, the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour. If you're just looking at even the monthly, right? You're looking at any of these time frames, gold is looking extremely bullish. And what most amateur traders do at this point, when they start seeing moves like this, they go, you know what, guys? Look how much gold has been pushing bullish. It has to stop somewhere. It has to reverse somewhere, right? And so they'll get taken out here. They'll get taken out here. They'll get taken out over here, because they'll keep trying to sell in an uptrend, in a very clear uptrend, right? I'm all for selling in uptrends as long as you see enough confluence from at least the daily time frame, right? So you want to start seeing bearish structure from the daily time frame, and by that I mean you want to start seeing lower lows, right? Lower lows being formed, some of these levels in the market, these higher lows being broken, right? And you want to start seeing that bullish trend being broken here on the daily, but you don't see any of that, right? We had a short bearish pullback right here on Thursday last week, and then this candle broke the lows, but then straight away went straight back up, broke the highs, and continued bullish, right? So until you can see consecutive lower lows and higher lows being broken here on the daily time frame, then gold is just going to continue bullish at this point. So there's no point looking at at xauusd, in my opinion. At the moment. What's up, Nimbus? What's happening, bro? What's happening, big bro? Step. Oh, no name posted. I posted his profits as well. Wow, very good, very good. No name in the Discord. Posting his profits. What was I going to do? Make the post in the Discord. That's right. So I'm just going to say that we're live in the Discord server. Yeah, bro. Nice and early. Caught that pre-London move finally, man. I've been waiting a long time for this pre-London move. I've been very patient. Last week I was pretty much break even last week. I had 1 win, 1 loss, and 1 break even trade. But I was pretty much around about break even. Yesterday, no trades, and then finally today, catching actually a couple positions here. Bro, I got a trade a little bit earlier from 235788. 235788. 235788. 235788. To 2365. 2365. Oh, very nice, bro. That's a nice move. That's a nice move, bro. 70 pips. Yeah, that's good. Well done, Tucking. Yesterday was a nice trap. That sell was so deliberate. Yeah. Chol, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. My guy. Are you in a buy? No, I was in buys pre-London session, get rich. So I was in buys from here. Around about 2, 3, 4, 8, 5, 5, 8. Took first profits here. And then took I left the runner open and then took full take profit up here as price was coming into this level at 2359, 237. Price isn't showing why. What do you mean, user? What do you mean price isn't showing why? So do you think it would sell? Right now, not necessarily, no. That sell was so deliberate. What do you mean, Nimbus? Which sell? Yesterday? No worries, brother. I'll be following you so I can learn more. Appreciate that, Charles. Appreciate that, man. Hopefully you get some knowledge from these streams that you know can benefit you or help you in some way. Tush, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. The big retrades yesterday you're talking about, Nimbus? Talking about yesterday? Oh, you're talking about this one? Da, 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 da. Well, I wouldn't say it was any of that, Nimbus. Basically, all that happened was it's Monday, right? So the weekly candle needs to make a bottom wick if it's going to continue bullish, right? Not always, but majority of the time, the weekly candle needs to make a bottom wick. So quite often on Monday, you will see price pull back like this, create that bottom wick for the weekly candle and also the daily candle. And then it will continue to drive potentially Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or it might pull back Monday, Tuesday, and then drive Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it all depends. But if you take a look on the weekly, you can see that pullback yesterday on Monday was literally just this weekly bottom candle forming, right? And then price continued bullish, which it has. So it was literally just a bottom wick, and now price continues. Same on the daily. This was yesterday's candle, right? Daily bottom wick being formed, price continuing bullish. So it needs to do this in order to continue bullish. Not, like I said, not all the time, but majority of the time you will see those steep wicks from the weekly and daily perspective. What's up, Seal? Welcome in, Seal. Welcome in all the YouTube people. YouTube peeps, what's happening? Kiora. What's up, JJ? Kiora. What's up, Harringad? Welcome back. Carter J Pal, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. I'm good. How are you guys? 1, 2, 3 and Harringad. I'm good. Hope you guys are doing well today. But yeah, obviously you guys would know at this point. What am I currently trading? This is gold. Carter, this is gold. So you guys will know at this point, you can see rejection of this level up here. 2359, around 2759275-ish. This 4-hour candle has now continued bullish as well. We got key levels. So looks like on the 4-hour perspective so far, price is rejecting this level. Obviously there's still 2.5 hours left, but potentially the 1 hour has closed above, but now looks like it's ripping back down to close back inside maybe. So yeah, all eyes on the 1 hour time frame now at this point. We've got 35 minutes left for the 1 hour. If this 1 hour closes back inside this key level, then it could be a potential fake out, and then you could see price driving down back into these levels, coming into pre-New York session. So yeah, all eyes on the 1 hour time frame at the moment. We've still got 35 minutes, so we got a little bit of time to chill. 5 minute currently is rejecting that level, as you can see. If you think, I think that the war makes the price increase. Oh, 100% Seal, 100%, because gold is a safe haven asset, right? When there's war and fear in the markets or in the economies or in the around the globe, if there's fear, investors will put their money, right? They'll take their money out of currency, so USD, pound, all these things, and they'll put them into safe haven currencies, which is things like the yen and also gold, because gold is a physical currency, right? The gold isn't just made up numbers on a screen, or there's nothing that really backs money up apart from a bank and numbers on a screen, right? Whereas gold, it's physical. It can be backed up with physical gold that you can actually hold, and so that's why gold increases during wars and times of fear and things like that. Yeah, 7 years, JJ. Appreciate the answer, Seal. You guys know me too well now. Look, you're just answering my questions for me. That's awesome. I love that. Let's have a look. Tony, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Should I ever sleep on a trade because crypto is more swing trading? Should I ever sleep on a trade? You mean hold it overnight or over the weekend? Is that what you're saying, Harangat? It depends on your strategy. Yeah, it depends. If you're a scalper, then obviously not. If you're a day trader, obviously not. But if you're a swing trader and you hold your trades long term, then yeah, 100%. When I used to swing trade back in the day, I used to hold my trades for days, weeks sometimes. What's up, Smokey? What's happening? Welcome to the stream. Will gold sell? Who knows? Who knows what gold will do right now? We're waiting on confirmations, so potential 1 hour confirmations, right? If the 1 hour breaks the previous 1 hour low here, right? That's now bearish structure. We've created a lower high in this new 1 hour bearish candle, potentially breaking the lows. Closure back inside 2359275, right? This level right here, which could indicate that price could then start driving down back into 2354 or beyond that, down into 234855 potentially. But yeah, we just have to wait and see at this point. There's no predicting. We just have to wait for closures, right? Did you take a trade last night? No, I didn't take a trade last night, Haringab, but I did take this trade today. I took this trade today on gold. 100 pips. Where is it? $2,432.20 profit. 6.6% account gain on the day. 100 pips. Beautiful. Beautiful, mate. There we go. Looks like it's tapping into those 1 hour lows right now. there. So it's broke those 1 hour lows. So structure now on the 1 hour time frame has been broken. In terms of, you know, higher highs, higher lows, that kind of thing. So let's see what gold does from here. Let's see. Harangan, thank you for the rose. You're always sending me roses, man. Appreciate you, bro. What's up, Kirk? What time frame? This is the 5-minute time frame, Ismail. That's nice. Congrats. Appreciate you. What's up, Sega? What do I think? I think it's a beautiful day. I got a nice cup of tea right here. You know, I think life is good right now, bro. Are you talking about the charts? Cheers, man. Now I think right now we just have to wait for hourly closures. You know, at 1 hour closures, potentially 4 hour closures as well. We can see now that the 5-minute coming down here now has just broken the previous 1 hour low, like I said. So that's a break of structure on the 1 hour perspective now. So we could see a short-term pullback here, right? So at this point, we've made a potential higher high. So we've got higher highs over here. You know, price is creating very nice bullish structure, right? We've got higher lows, higher highs forming in the market. So this could just be a short-term pullback, wherever that may be. Who knows? But yeah, let's just wait and see. Let's wait and see. We've got to wait for 1 hour closures. Nothing is happening right now, though. The move has already happened, right? You know, I talked to you guys about how to capture volume. Look at this candle right here, right? Look at this trade that I caught today. Look how price was just consolidating. No volume whatsoever in the range, right? And then I entered right here on the break, right? Captured this whole move up. I literally captured this whole candle right here like a Pokemon. I call that shit like a Pokemon. Caught that move beautifully. This one volume candle out of all these candles today, I caught it, right? So this is the XAU elite strategy. Gold will sell. Nazi, who knows, bro? Like I said, who knows? Listen to when I'm talking, all right? Like I said, we got to wait for 1 hour closures. We got to wait for 4 hour closures potentially. But at the moment, structure on the 1 hour time frame has been broken. So it's looking bearish on the 1 hour. But like I said, price is in an uptrend, creating higher highs, higher lows, etc. So we just have to wait for 1 hour closures at this point. Australian Jat, appreciate the follow. House Monster sent a treasure box with 20 coins. What is that, Hauser Monster? I have no idea what these things are. I have no idea what these. So what do I do with this Hauser Monster? This treasure box? Is that for the chat? Is that for me? Like, what is that? Do you do trading full time, or is it like, so I don't know, full time, Haran? What's up, Tony? %100% speculative trend, trying to keep your viewers longer. What do you mean, Kurt? I think you make money off it. No, but it usually comes up on my screen, Aaron. Like if somebody sends like diamonds, then it will come up on my screen that they've sent them. But I think this is to like the chat or something. I think anyone can just claim this if they click it. Someone try to click it. What's up, Tony? Today's trade was great, yeah. Yo, Tony Nimbus, like the fact that we all caught this shit like at the same time. I had a look at the Discord, and in the profit section. So who posted first? Tony posted first at 5:15, right? And then literally Nimbus posted at 5:16, and then I posted at 5:17. That's fucking hilarious. Like literally 1 minute after each other. Bum, 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 bum. Free Academy membership. What? So confused. What's this? Oh, I can open it. Oh, so you guys can actually, yeah, so you guys claim the coins, right? So Harangad got 2, Aaron got 1. Like, you guys claim those coins. I don't know how this shit works, but yo, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Aaron sent in the rose. Harangad with the friendship. Appreciate you guys. But yo, how's the monster? I appreciate that, man. My guy. You're crazy, man. Let's have a look. Kelly, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Oh, we got the same name, man. We learned from the wizard. I still like that name, Tony the Wizard. I need to try and use it somehow. Goes to show your strat works. Yeah. I mean, it works, but it depends on the person using it, you know. So you guys obviously got to give yourselves a pat on the back because, you know, you've took on everything that I've said, and you've got yourself into that mind frame of being able to trade in that way. Whereas not everyone can, you know. Where is Zach? Who that is Zach? Who the is Zach? Who's Zach, JJ? Now the viewers who don't have money can gift you. Oh, okay. I get it. All right. Yeah, I'm still learning how the coins and stuff work. Like, oh, Zach and Cody. Yeah, I clicked the coin from it. I sent you a live goal with. I appreciate you guys, man. See, you guys got gifted the coins, and then you just gave them straight back. It's a beautiful thing. Quick, click the treasure box and buy this ledge. A gift, everyone. Oh, appreciate you, Kirk. Appreciate you, Kirk. So if you guys. If I put a link in the chat to the indicator, I wonder if you guys could get it. I'm feeling like generous right now. All these diamonds flying around is making. Yo, what the hell? Somebody just sent. How? Somebody just sent 212 diamonds. What? Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. Brother. You are insane. What the fuck? Oh shit, I shouldn't swear. Type 3 on the 5 minute is where it's at. Yeah, 100%. Yo, for that. 1, 2, 3, I'll share this with you guys. I'll share this with you guys. How can I, if I go like this, this is blocked, right? Not everyone has access to this, but if I can share this in the TikTok chat right now, you guys, oh, I can't post it. And to you guys in the YouTube chat, guys, if you want the indicator link, come over to the YouTube chat and it's posted in there. It's not letting me post it on the TikTok. Wait, let me just try something first before you do that. Maybe now it will work. Yeah, there we go. If you guys click that link or copy and paste that link, go over here, click the indicator and add it to your favorites, right? So when it comes up, add it to your favorites. And then it will be in here in your favorites on TradingView, and then you can use it. It's called a type 3 indicator. This was made by me. It's based off a price action strategy that I trade. And you guys can use it because of all the insane gifts. So you guys can thank 1, 2, 3 for that. 1, 2, 3, you're a legend, bro. Absolute legend. What the actual F, man? I don't know if I can surround TikTok, can I? But good morning from the USA. 4 a.m. here. At least I've been up in a while. Sheesh, let's go, bro. Are you up for trading or work or what? $200 diamonds is crazy. 1, 2, 3. You're insane, bro. So yeah, when you click that link, so it should come up. It should come up like this, and then you just scroll down, and then you just put here add indicator to favorites. Oh, you guys on TikTok can't see that, but just scroll down and add it to your favorites, and then you'll be able to use it. And it's basically just going to give you buy and sell signals based off a candle pattern, a price action candle pattern, called the type 3. And I recommend using it on higher-ish time frames, right? Unless you know the whole strategy, but you guys are not going to know the whole strategy. But as you can see right here, right, beautiful. It actually gave the signal for this trade today, the breakout trade right here. You can see the buy signal, and then boom, price, boom, drove up 100 pips. But yeah, I recommend like pairing the 5 minute with a higher time frame, maybe like the 15 or the 1 hour. Yeah, you guys will see. If you guys want to know how to use the type 3, the indicator properly, go over to Tony's YouTube channel. He makes videos on it. He'll show you how he uses it. Nish, thank you for the follow. Ty, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you guys. You give signals, bro? No, I don't give signals. Blacks now. I don't give signals, broski. But I did take this trade earlier. I did. I did give the analysis to this trade in the Telegram, in the Discord, also in the VIP Telegram as well. But yeah. But yeah, Tony has some videos on his YouTube channel, and he uses the type 3. He uses this indicator in his strategy, and you'll be able to see how he uses it. So if you guys are a bit stuck on how to trade it, what's his channel? His channel is No Sleep Effects. No Sleep Effects. Probably put it in the chat for you guys. But make sure you go and sub to his channel. He's still new to the YouTube grind, so where are we? No Sleep Effects. Okay, wait, is it No Sleep? Yeah, it's No Sleep Effects, isn't it? Why is it not showing up for me? No Sleep FX. But yeah, he's in the YouTube chat. Oh, there it is. I'll post it in the I'll post it in the chat now for you guys. Oh no, that's not it. That's his YouTube channel right there, guys. It's in the TikTok chat. And the YouTube chat as well. I'm honored to be a slipper they wear. Nicholas Costa, I appreciate the follow on TikTok, man. You guys are going crazy on the TikTok today. Make any money this morning? Yeah, the grind. I made, I took this trade here on gold. 100 pips, 6.6% account gain, and what is it, $2,432 profit. 2 separate trades. This one was my May trade, and then I had a runner right here that I let run for like the 400 pips, and I took this trade at about 15-20 pips. So I try and most of the time I have 2 positions. I'll do a higher lot size where I'm looking to scalp, get 10, 15, 20 pips, which is what this 5 lot was, and then I'll have a much lower risk position where I try and capture the whole move that I'm looking at, which is what happened today, and it actually worked out perfectly, because most of the time I'll get the scalp, but a lot of the times I won't get the runner and the full move, and this will end up hitting break even, or you know, yeah, most of the time it's break even, or it'll come down and be a losing trade, something like that. But yeah, that was today's position. So now we're just waiting to see what happens from here with gold, right? Does it continue bullish, or does it pull back for New York session? You appreciate the follows on TikTok. I still have sell position at 2285. You have a sell position at 2285. 2285. Do you mean 2385 or 2285, my guy? You have a sell position that you entered down in here, and you're still in the trade. Where's your stop loss, my brother? Where's your risk management? You are 800 pips in drawdown, pretty much. Right now, you're like 700 pips in drawdown. Any chance it can come back? I mean, yeah, there's always a chance it can come back, but I mean, that's not a good trading plan to have, right? You shouldn't be trading based on chances and things like that. Like, where's your stop loss? Where's your stop loss, Irfan? Bill, appreciate the follow. Welcome to the TikTok gang. I'm mainly in options right now, but want to get into Forex and futures. Yeah, I want to get into futures as well. I'm looking at getting into futures. It seems very interesting. You know what's crazy? When 123 sent the 200 diamonds, my views on TikTok jumped up by like 20, like instantly. That's crazy how they pushed that shit, right? What should I do? I'm lost. Irfan, where is your stop loss, my brother? Do you have a stop loss for this trade? Because if you do, that's like a 700 pip stop loss, bro, or more than that. If you're still in this trade, you have like over an 800 pip stop loss. So where is your stop loss, Irfan? What the hell was that clicking noise? Tony said, join the academy, learn proper risk management. And I agree. Did you get anything up last night? No, I didn't get anything last night, Zeb, but I did catch this trade today during pre-London session. Pre-London session. 100 pip move. I keep forgetting what it was. What was it? $2,432.22 and 6.6% account gain. Logged here in the journal. So April's got off to a slow start. I'm not gonna lie. We didn't have trades barely had any trades last week. It seemed like last week was going on forever, but this week has started decent. Good move. Yeah. Did you catch any trades, Zeb? Is this gold? Yeah, this is gold. Appreciate the follow, San. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Thanks for the plug. I'm making a video today, but yeah, for sure, Tony. Do it. Do it. What I do is, what I used to do before I live streamed. I feel like now the live streams make up for the content, like the regular posting on YouTube. But what I did is, like, as soon as I took a trade or after the trade, I would just record the video straight away, upload it straight away, and then, then dip. I can't picture using future terms. Well, I don't even know any future terms, Nimbus. Is it different to Forex? Like, it can't be that different, surely. Do you do this full time? Yeah, full time. Do you offer training? Yeah, Thomas, 100%. Yeah, there's options if you want them, Thomas. You'll find them in the link in my profile, bro. Not sure where you're gonna end up with. Irfan, listen to me, bro. Can you answer me? Where is your stop loss? Do you even know what a stop loss is? Is that why you're not answering me? Where's your stop loss, my brother? Can you tell me where your stop loss is for that trade? I'm really intrigued and interested to know where your stop loss is. Appreciate the follow, Thomas. You didn't put a stop loss. Okay, that's what I thought. So what is your plan for this trade, Irfan? What if you enter the sell but you don't have a stop loss? Do you have a take profit? Do you have a take profit level? Like, what is the... First of all, what was your strategy for that trade? What strategy are you trading, right? What was your risk? And, you know, what is your plan for that trade? Like, where did you plan on taking profit? Any updates on cacao? I don't trade cacao. Mum. That's what's up. How you know a person does good mentorship? What are you talking about? This guy's trade, the grind. How do you set the TP for that trade? Just have profit targets, Seal. Just have profit targets based on each time frame. So on the 5-minute time frame, I'll have a different profit target to the 4-hour time frame, right? Because you know I trade the daily, the 4-hour, the 1-hour, and the 5-minute, and on each one of those time frames, I analyze where the 4-hour candle could be going. For example, where the 1-hour candle could be going, and where the 5-minute candle could be going, right? So I have targets for each of the time frames based on where I think that time frame candle could potentially go during the pre-lunar session, right? When you get that volume boost in the market. I believe I can't take profit. No, I know you can't take profit right now, FM, because you're in drawdown. But where is your take profit level? Where did you plan on taking profit on that trade? He moved that to break even. I know. I think Knight is talking about the guy in the TikTok chat, Seal. So yeah, I don't know. To be honest, Knight, I just don't think he knows what he's doing. To be very blunt, which is fine because that's why we're here. That's why I'm doing the streams, to help people, right? But before I can help people, I need to understand why, you know, their plan for this trade, right? I need to understand their risk management, their trade management, their trade plan. I need to understand their strategy, why they entered the trade, right? What they have planned for it. I can't help anybody make any decisions based if he just tells me I entered here, what do you think I should do? Like, how am I supposed to help anybody with that kind of information, right? I need to know all the bits and bobs, you know, on the reasonings why he took these trades and what his plan is and what his strategy is. Then I can try get an idea of how to guide this guy as much as I can, right? Let's have a look. I recently learned a new phrase regarding trading plans. You can't go buy KFC without knowing how you'll get there first. I mean, yeah, it's a very simple analogy, but it definitely works, and it's, you know, it's right. You should always have a plan with your trade, right? This is why a lot of people come into the YouTube chat and the TikTok chat, and they always ask me, I entered gold here. What do you think I should do? Or I entered a trade. I'm in drawdown. What should I do? And it's like, what, like, how are you asking me what you should do? You should know what you should have to do, right? This is the whole point of trading. If you're entering trades without having a plan, like a risk management plan and a solid strategy and, you know, all of the above, right? Why are you even entering a trade? You know, like, why are you even trading? You're just gambling at this point. You might as well just go to the casino, put all your money on black or whatever it may be, or red, whatever it is, right? And you probably got better odds that way. I'm not gonna lie. Let's have a look. I would cut my losses. I would have a long time ago. Yeah, well, I would have had a stop loss, to be honest. Like, I put stop losses on all my trades. This is the reason why, because now this guy is sitting this guy is sitting in 700 pip drawdown, bro. 700 pip drawdown. Hey mate, are you placing short or long? Also, what strategy are you using? I was in a long position, J tripping. Earlier pre-London session. So currently now we're just waiting for 1 hour closures, which we got in 6 minutes to see what happens here. If price closes back below the range, below 2359273, looks like it is. Price has already broken the previous 1 hour low, so that is structure broken on the 1 hour. We got highs, lower highs, we got a low and a lower low in terms of the most recent 1 hour candles. So, you know, potential bearish move coming in here, but of course we just have to wait for closures now, right? This also looks like a bearish engulfing candle, so, or it potentially can be, right, if it closes this way. So we're just waiting to see what happens here now on the 1 hour time frame. What's up? I'm not on TikTok. I never used it. Yeah, I mean, TikTok's just really good for live streaming because you just get constant people coming through, and it helps the YouTube grow. It helps the algorithm. I'm out. Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Have a good day, Tony. Enjoy yourself. Don't be taking any more trades, bro. I know you're not gonna, but you know, I just have to say, enjoy your day. Appreciate you coming in here and having a chat with us. Let's have a look. Hi, sorry to bother. Is the one-time payment access for life? Trying to understand what's up. Yeah, one time. Yeah, it's lifetime, Thomas. Lifetime. All future anything in the future that I'm going to be adding to the academy, right? It's all going to be within that one payment. So you're good for life, man. On any updates, any future updates, anything that I have planned for the academy, yeah, you're going to be good. Just subbed and liked. Yes, my guy, Knight. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. That is all I ask for, man. That is all I ask for. Come over to the YouTube channel, drop a sub, drop a like, and I'm a very happy man. What's my prediction for the hour? So the hour closes in about 4 minutes. We're just gonna wait and see what happens here. See if it closes below 2359273. I enter the sell. Nice, right? You would have made some profit there then. What's your name? Not your dad's favorite. Nah, it's in dollars, bro. Dollars. Also, what does it mean by London session? So there's different sessions in Forex, or just in general in trading, right? Whether that's stock, futures, crypto, like there's different sessions, and that goes by so it goes by Asian session. So, you know, over this side of the world, Asia, Australia, New Zealand, that goes under Asian session, right? Then you have like London session, which is when the European markets start to open, and specifically the London markets. That's why it's called London session. And then you have New York session, right, which is obviously New York, the American, you know, the things like the NYSE, the stock exchange starts opening, the markets start opening. So you have different sessions based on different areas around the world. But on gold, New York session, obviously, because this is gold USD, right? So New York session is the most volatile to trade on gold, right? Or any USD pair. Let's have a look. User, I appreciate you sharing the live stream, my guy. Can I start trading with 50? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can. I'm pretty sure there is brokers that allow you to deposit $50 for sure. Can I start? Oh, I'll just read that. What price will it drop to? I have no idea, bro. We just have to wait and see, right? So always say, never try and predict, always react, right? So we want to see what starts to happen with price here, where it comes down to, where it starts to reject. I try. The most progress I made in trading in my career was when I stopped trying to predict the market, right? So never try and predict, just react, right? React in real time when you're seeing rejection, when you're seeing candles close, things like that. Yeah, never try predict. Is payment option? I look forward to jumping on board. Yeah, let's go, Thomas. Let's go, man. How long you been trading for, Thomas? Or are you a beginner? Like, what's your experience? How much money does one need to start trading and making a decent side income? How much capital in an account? I would say like 5K potentially. Unregulated brokers, Kirk. And that is all I'll say about that. AUD? What do you mean, Jaden? AUD? Is this gold? Yeah, this is gold. Too risky to trade all-time highs? I traded all-time highs right now, Nick. I traded it today. I bought here. I'm not afraid to trade all-time highs at all. It's all price action. It's all structure. It's trading is trading, right? Like, I don't care if it's all-time highs, all-time lows. I'm trading that bitch. You ready for CPI and FOMC this week? Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Thoughts on Harvest Finance? I'm not sure what that is, Hayden. Never heard of that. Would you care to enlighten us, though? I'd definitely be interested in learning something new. Hey, mate, do you read your DMs? Fly chat? Yeah, I do. Well, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Appreciate that. But yeah, I'll read my DMs on Instagram or wherever it may be. Let me know if you send me a message and I'll watch out for it. I've never traded before. I want to learn from scratch. Okay. So I do have a beginner section. So if you know absolutely nothing about gold, then if you know absolutely nothing about trading, then I do have a beginner section where you can get yourself up to scratch with the basics. Yeah, then it goes into more advanced, and you're going to learn my strategy, and you're going to learn things, like the basics of trading, support and resistance levels, trend lines, market structure, different time frames. You're gonna have a trading plan. So I'll provide a trading plan for you in here. Where are we? So yeah, this is the beginners module right here. I'm just showing this to Thomas, guys, because he's saying he's interested in the chat. So I'm just going to show him the contents of the academy. So yeah, I agree, Nick. I agree 100%. 100%. It is brutal, and that's why I always say to anybody, if they're going to start trading, be ready. This is not a short-term game. This is a long-term game. So yo, Squizzy said the indicator link you sent is very intriguing. Been looking through the charts with it, and it seems quite consistent. It's very consistent, bro. Just ask Tony. He trades it a lot. I've used that price action strategy for a very long time. It's very consistent. You just have to know exactly how to use it, right? Because every signal isn't a valid signal, right? And you can add different things to it, like only taking signals based on the trend, things like that. But yeah, it's a solid indicator. I wouldn't allow people to use it if I didn't think it was solid, right? So I'm not that kind of person. But yeah, this is the beginners right here. Thomas, right? You're going to go over all different things to get you up to date with what Forex is, news, leverage, risk management, choosing a trading style, calculating lot size, and you got I need to add a lot more videos to the Forex basics parts, but you're going to learn how to use a fib, support and resistance, trend lines, market structure, higher highs, higher lows. You got psychology and discipline section, right, where I go over my 3 rules of trading: emotion management, mastering trading psychology, overcoming trading challenges, maintaining trading discipline. All these things are going to help you to become a good trader. And then you have, right, the part that you're gonna obviously the most important part of the academy, which is my exact strategy here on gold. This can be used for any pair, by the way. It doesn't have to be used specifically on gold. It can be used for anything. But yeah, this is the XAU Elite, where you're going to learn how I trade gold. And then we have some trade breakdowns that I need to update. And here in the end, building a trading plan, back testing and simulation, and then live trading preparation. So there's a lot to go through. But yeah, if you're interested, man, then the link is there. It's up to you. But what about trading depression? Everyone goes through. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. I went through bad depression with trading, like a couple years in. I talked about this with the chat recently. So when I first started trading, I actually went, I actually bought an account to a couple thousand in profit. And at that time, I thought, yes, this is it. I've made it. I'm a profitable trader. Like, I can make millions of dollars now. And then a couple months later, like, I was back down at break even. And then a couple weeks later, I was in drawdown. And then a couple weeks after that, I blew the account again, right? And that messed me up massively. That, like, I was literally on the verge of a breakdown. Like, I was crying. I was like, I can't do this anymore. It's too stressful. It's too much. I'm quitting. I'm giving up. But then, we all go through that, right? These are the things that we have to go through, which make us stronger. And yeah, but yeah, we all go through it, Thomas. So when you're going through those things, just remember, we all go through it. It's just how you come out the other side, right? It's how you come out the other side, my guy. Rabin, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. I'm sorry if I'm missing some guys' questions here. I have 500 to invest. What do you recommend to invest in for a short-term profit? Are you talking about stocks, Hayden, or what? Because if you are, then I have no idea in investing in stocks and things like that. I just trade Forex. How much do you make monthly? Last month, I made $7,940 or something like that. This month, let's have a look at the journal. This month, where are we? This month, I am up. This month, I'm up $2,382 so far. And a total account gain of 6.59% so far this month. We're approaching 40k. We're approaching 40k on the account. We're at $38,225. Approaching 40k, boys. We're approaching 40k. Let's go. Hearing the trade depression at 2 years in scares me as a new... Yeah, bro. It's coming. It will always come, Squeezy. Trust me. I'm not going to sit here and say it will happen to everybody, because it might not. But, for most people, it will. And you just gotta, take it in your stride and understand these are the things you go through as a trader, and really anything in life, right? If you're doing any job, or if you're studying to be any kind of profession, you're going to go through these hard times, and times where you think, like, man, I'm not cut out for this. I really can't do this. Like, I just want to quit. Like, this is too hard, blah, 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 blah. Like, people go through that in every aspect of life. Relationships, jobs, whatever. Bro, how do you recommend to buy Bitcoin? I have no idea. Coinspot? No, Coinbase. Coinspot is the Australian one. So Coinbase, maybe? It's the journey. You will learn valuable lessons from those moments. Yeah, 100%. That's what sets you up for, your success in the future. Most streams have delays, but if you're on PC, you can click the playback speed to 2 times. It will catch you up. Oh, my stream have a delay? Yeah, JJ, you must... sometimes when you pause or like something like that, it will... or maybe the stream lags or something on your end because of your internet or something. It will like pause the stream and then replay it from where it paused. So you just have to go back to the very beginning again, like the most current live part of the stream. You know what I mean? Like fast forward it. The only reason I got into trading is because I hate my boss. Yo, I love that seal. I feel them vibes, bro. I feel them vibes. Trust me. I just want to quit my job. I mean, yeah, I highly wouldn't recommend quitting your job for a very long time until you're, you know, you're making very good money from trading consistently. But you can always get another job, man. You had a few losses in months. Oh yeah, I've had losses, bro. All these here are losses, Thomas. Like, you know, all the red writing that you see is losing trades, right? So all through my journal here since the start of the year, losses. Here I literally took 5 losses in a row, right? 5 losses in a row here. Like, yeah, I have losses, man. It's part of trading. How many hours do you work daily in trading? Like 30 minutes to an hour max. Sometimes 15 minutes to do my analysis, set buy and sell stops, send out some analysis in the Telegram, record some videos for the Telegram, and I'm done. So yeah, like 15 to 30 minutes, sometimes an hour, depending. Fall in love with the process. Agreed, 100%. How many trades do you take a day? One trade a day. I always, if I take one trade a day, if it's a loss, I'll come back the next day. If it's a win, I'll come back the next day. So I never take more than one trade, but some days I don't have a loss. Some days I don't have trades. So, you know, a lot of days will be no trading days. And then if I do take a trade, it will just be one trade a day. Yo, appreciate the follows on TikTok. Kraken is better than CoinSpot. Yeah, I have heard of Kraken actually. Kraken seems like a pretty decent website. Whoever that was who asked about Bitcoin. Try Kraken, Manish. Kraken. Can I put on a sell? Yeah. Sagar, you can put on a sell if you want. You can do whatever the hell you like, my brother. True wise words. I am similar to Sil. I just can't see myself doing a 9 to 5 my whole life. So I'm keen to make trading work, even though it's going to be a grind. I just wish I started earlier. But bro, Squizzy, you're 22, bro. I didn't start trading until I was what? Oh, probably around the same age, actually. 20. Yeah, like 24, 25 maybe. Was it? Yeah, around that. Around like 23, 24. So, bro, I'm now 31, right? So, you know, you've got a long road ahead of you. But just don't try and force anything. Honestly, for now, stick in your job, do your 9 to 5, pay your bills, whatever. Do trading in your spare time as much as you can, and you know, eventually we get to that point. But it's a long road, bro. It's a very long road, very long process. To be honest, if you find the right people in trading, if you find the right community, someone who can help you, that you think is beneficial to you, and you know, whatever it may be, then that can definitely shorten that time. But take me, for example. When I first started trading, I bought courses, I invested in mentors and things like that. But it still took me 5 or so years to really get to that point where I could be profitable, because the courses that I invested in and the mentors that I invested in just, you know, didn't really fit me, right? Didn't really fit my mind frame, I would say, and the type of person I am. I'll be right back. Sorry guys, just saying goodnight to my daughter. Just saying goodnight to my daughter. She's going to bed. How do you set how do you set buy and stops? YouTube that, Daniel. You're gonna learn a lot easier that way. Win more than you lose. Yeah, win more than lose for sure. So I can show you my stats actually on my trading journal. The rule, all my stats, all my trades are journaled, tracked right here. Progress, everything. So if I go to stats, you can see so far this year for 2024, 48 wins, 30 losses. The break-evens aren't accurate because I've only just started tracking them. 48 wins, 30 losses, 61.54 win rate, 157.25% account gain, which is crazy since the January 1st, and 452 pips profit secured. So as you can see, right, I don't have a very high win rate. It's only 61.54% win rate, right? That's not massive. But I've still managed to grow the account by 157%. Which, what does that tell you? What does that tell you guys in the chat? If I only have a 61.54% win rate, but I've grew the account by 157%. What does that tell you guys? Risk to reward high, good answer, but that's not it because I don't necessarily have high risk to reward ratios. Usually I have 1-to-1, sometimes a 1-to-2. It goes from a 1-to-1 to a 1-to-1.5 to a 1-to-2. What's up, bro? What's happening? I forgot your name. Fuck, I forgot your name. You did tell it me though. You're just cool. Luke, that's it. Yeah, Thomas, exactly. I'm just cool. No, that is showing you that I have very good risk management, which is the most important thing in trading. Risk management. Trade management, risk management. Go focus on things you can control. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Do you use engulfings? If no, why? If yes, why not? I don't use engulfings. No, I don't use them to actually trade or enter trades, but I do use them in terms of understanding potentially where price could be heading, right? Based on 4-hour, 1-hour engulfing candles, because that's all price action, right? And I trade price action. So I don't use it to enter trades, but I do use engulfing candles to give me an idea of, okay, price is bullish. We've had a pullback. We've now got an engulfing candle. We could potentially now see continuation to the upside or wherever it may be, you know. Cody, will the buy go through? What do you mean, Nazi? Will the buy go through? And yeah, part of me is hesitant to buy any calls. I have been tempted, even with yours especially, but I have heard that sometimes the best thing you can do is sit in the charts and study yourself. Yeah, I agree, Squizzy. I 100% agree. If you're someone who has the time to sit at the charts and learn, then just go and do that. Study yourself, right? When I first started trading, I was literally sitting at the charts for over 10 hours a day for like 3-4 years, right? And I'm talking 10 hours a day minimum. Most days it was more than that. So if you don't have the time to do that, then courses and mentorship and things like that are beneficial. But I wouldn't say it was the courses that was the beneficial thing. It's more so the community and the guidance that you can get within those. Because that's what I found benefited me the most. Not necessarily the courses or the education or the strategies, but the guidance from that specific person or somebody in the community, or for example, Tony, who you guys saw earlier in the YouTube chat. I actually met him years and years and years ago from a community that we both joined when we both first started trading, right? So those are the things that obviously you will get as well, like long-term friendships. Me and Tony have like had constant communication now for a very long time, right? And we talk about trading. We help each other out. He's part of the academy. He started his own YouTube channel. So, you know, finding those nice trading friendships and joining a nice community is definitely more beneficial than I would say like the strategy and course part of it, if you already have a strategy, you know. Um, it's good to have strat to follow while looking at the charts. Yeah. I don't really see how 6% relates to that growth. I'll get it one day. Yeah, so a 60% win rate is how, yeah, is only just basically just saying that I've won 60% more of the trades that I've lost, right? But the account growth is that comes from my risk management, and it also comes from the winning trades being a lot more than the losing trades, which again comes back to the risk management, right? Cutting your losses short and letting your winning trades run, which is what happened today. Because like I said today, so today with the trades, I had this 5 lot that I opened was for a scalp, right? It was both the same trade. The 5 lot I opened for a scalp took profit at 15 pips. The second one, the 1 lot size was a runner, right? That I was going to leave to hit the full take profit of the full move that I anticipated from the 4-hour time frame. So first trade was from the 5-minute. The second trade was from the 4-hour. Both hit take profit, both slightly different trades, but overall 100 pips. And that is, you know, yeah. Let's have a look. Compounding is strong. Yeah, I also compound as well. Dude. Compounding is very good. Very, very, very good. It's a very good technique. I had 2 mentors and done 2 courses now while rounding at charity. Yeah, I agree. I mean, I'm 100% not against like, you know, courses or whatever, like communities. And I'm not saying that because I have one, but I truly do think it's beneficial to people. It was 100% beneficial to me. And like I said, not necessarily for the strategy side, but for the community side, for the mentor side, for being able to chat with people who can guide me and help me with the basics. Meeting long-term friends, like I just mentioned with Tony and a few other people. So I think that's the more beneficial side than the strategy. But if you're completely new to trading and you really don't know what Forex is, you don't know what candles are, you don't know what support and resistance is, then doing a course is 100% going to help you in some way, right? It has to. How much AUDs? 5 lots? It depends on the stop loss, Aaron. It depends on the stop loss and the take profit. That was a 15 pip take profit. So 5 lots on a 15 pip take profit is $1,135. AUD, yeah, that's AUD. That's AUD. Yo, Pardeep, brah, thank you for the sub on YouTube, man. Appreciate you. Welcome to the YouTube channel, my guy. Tony's very close to passing the challenge now. Yeah, Tony's doing well. Tony's doing really well on the challenge, and he uses that indicator that I share with you guys. I wish I had your account game. Mine is only 10%. 10% is very good, Seal. Very good. Very good. Appreciate the subs on YouTube, man. You guys are crazy. Bro, my best friend I met through trading in a group. Speak to him every day. He lives in Brum. I'm in London. Yeah. I speak like same with me, Luke. I speak to Tony every day, and I literally met this guy years ago in a course that we both bought from a certain mentor. I'm not going to mention them, but we both bought this course. And yeah, I met him from then, like, yeah, years and years and years ago. And we still talk pretty much every day now. He knows about my family. I know about his family, you know, like we're pretty close that way. Do you only trade personal? Like personal capital, Luke? Yeah, my personal capital, yeah. Um, Tom Camp, never heard that guy, Nick D. Nick D, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. What country are you based in? I'm in Australia, Thomas. Yeah, I've been with two different communities before this and wasn't getting anywhere until now. Oh, that's good, the grind. So what's changed? What's changed, the grind? Follow you on YouTube. Yeah, I appreciate that, Luke, my guy. That is all I asked for, man. That's all I asked for, man, for you guys to just hop over to YouTube and sub, leave a like, and then you can come back to the TikTok if you want. Yeah, I only trade personal to funded these. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people get a lot, some use out of funded accounts. Personally, I don't. I've never really been interested in them, or I don't trust them at all. But 23k to 65. That's crazy, bro. That's better than me so far this year. I turned 10k to 38k so far. We should all be watching your stream, Luke. Get up a stream, man. Just like, and you are friends, Nim. Come to Discord, I'll show you mine if you show me yours. Yo. Yeah, I'll join that. I'll join that party. Can I join that party, Nimbus? Yeah, USD, Thomas, because the website that I used, WAP, it's an American website, so yeah, they do in USD, not AUD, unfortunately. Yo, Sab, thank you for the follow. I just used Funded to build my personal. Okay, so which fund did you use, Luke, when you actually did withdrawals and stuff? $10 to 38 is seriously good. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. So far, averaging 3 months out of the year, it's like 8k a month, which is it's a decent salary. It's a very standard. I wouldn't say standard actually, but I'd say it's a lot of people have that kind of salary. If you talk about 9 to 5, so. Well, it's like 100k a year salary, right? 8k a month ish. You have to be completely numb to winning and losing, yeah. You just have to see it all as one level spectrum, right? Winning, losing, you're winning trade, you're staying here. You're losing trade, you're staying here, right? Your emotions aren't going up and then dropping down and going back up and then dropping down. Like, you need to keep them at a level pace. And this is why I say to people who say, I want to quit my job and start trading full time. That's why unless you're making unless you can pay your bills, right? Your rent, your phone bill, food bills, electric bills, whatever it may be. If you can pay your bills with your income from trading, then yeah, you can quit your job, right? But if you can't, and you're just going to try and quit your job and try and make best as you can from trading, then I always kind of recommend not doing that, because that's when you start making mistakes in trading, right? You know, when you're relying on this money to pay your bills and your mortgage or whatever, you are not going to be numb to those emotions, right? You're going to be relying on this. You're going to be like, man, I need to pay my rent this month, man. I need to make this trade work. I need to pay my phone bill. I got like bills coming out my ears, but I can't find any trades, and now I'm losing trades because I'm stressed and I'm panicking, and like it's not good for you, right? So keep doing your job. Trade on the side as best as you can until you can really make enough in trading to cover everything easily. I've been tempted to make a channel, to be fair. A few people have mentioned it to me, but means I have to... Means you have to what? Make a channel. Why do you think I'm here? You can see my face anytime, Cody. Then one day you can see my face. Are you on vacation right now, Fox? Where you at, bro? Don't make me jealous right now, man. Yeah, basically, Squizzy, unless you come under there's all different ways around it. Like, you know, you can set up an LLC, or you can just use it as like a capital gains tax. Like there's all different ways around it. If you do it on the side as kind of like an investment, and you set it up that way as an investment, then you only pay like a certain percentage on like capital gains, which is, you know, yeah, like I said, if you're doing it like on the side as a hobby or something, but if you're doing it full time as like a regular income as a job, then you'll be taxed normal, just the same as everybody else. But you could turn that into more now though. Yeah, 100%, Thomas. I could easily just start upping my lot sizes and risking more now, like 100%. But I don't like to do that. I just like to stay consistent until, I don't know, maybe like 100k is reached or something like that. Then I'll maybe move my lot size up to maybe a 10 lot, something like that. But right now I'm happy with 5 lots. I'm comfortable with 5 lots. No matter how big my account is, like I'm just comfortable with 5 lots right now. So you got to find that comfort, you know. Find something that's consistent, familiar, comfortable, and then you'll really start to get into your flow with things. Yeah, 100% the percentage. Yeah, 100. That's a good mindset to have, Thomas. You should not be looking at just profit. Always be looking at the percentages. Time to buy, Irfan. You're in sales, buddy. You sat here in joggers. I think he exited again. Yeah, definitely. I mean, that's why accountants exist as well, because you like they know all the ins and outs. They can help you out much better than I can. Like, definitely, if you get to that point, get yourself an accountant, and they'll sort everything out for you. Probably won't bank it all, Thomas, because like, you know, tax and all that. But yeah. If you have your money in Australian regulated brokers, then you only allow. We had this conversation yesterday, but you only can use a 1 to 30 leverage, which is like shit basically. So that's why I like doing smaller accounts, because I use unregulated brokers, which I don't like to talk about too much because I don't want to, you know, influence you guys to use unregulated brokers. But that's why I do like 10k accounts. I keep my capital small in those unregulated brokers, because obviously they're unregulated, you don't know what can happen. And then, you know, I have my account in my Australian in the broker with a 1 to 30 leverage. But like I said, 1 to 30 leverage is bad. Well, on gold it's 1 to 20 leverage actually. Forex major pairs it's 1 to 30. On gold it's 1 to 20, so that's even worse. So that's why I choose to take the small accounts, use an unregulated broker, get a 1 to 500 leverage. Then I can just like flip that account. I wouldn't say I can flip it easily, like there has been accounts that I've lost. But basically what I do at the beginning of the 10k account, I just go like high leverage, high risk, try and flip it, try and flip it in a few trades. If I can flip it, then I'll just continue to trade it to whatever I trade it to, and then maybe start again at some point. But I don't like to keep my money in unregulated brokers for too long. Yeah, it's very risky night. That's what I'm saying. That's why I keep my capital low in those in the unregulated brokers. There is legit unregulated brokers out there, but obviously you have to search for them. And like I said, I'm not gonna promote or you know, tell you guys anything about unregulated brokers, because yeah, that's not what I'm here for. I don't want anything to happen to you guys if I was to recommend an unregulated broker. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. But just know there is legit ones out there. You just gotta find them. Oh, Fox is back. Fox, are you on vacation right now, bro? Yeah, 100%. No, 100%. I've used unregulated brokers for a long time to cut, like I said, because I'm in Australia. You have to, in Australia by law, you can only have a 1 to 30, 1 to 20 leverage max. So I've been using unregulated brokers, sorry, for a long time. You just got to find the right ones. You're in Japan. Let's go, bro. I love Japan. What position am I looking for? Let's take a look at the 1 hour now. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. So as I said, 1 hour closure back below, right? 2359273, and price continued bearish, right? Made lower highs, lower lows, and price on the 1 hour has continued bearish, like 45 pips. I did talk about this earlier. Obviously, I didn't give any setups, but I did say if this 1 hour candle closes back within this range below 2359273, there's potential for gold to sell off here now going into New York Open. So in terms of a position, I wouldn't really be looking at any sells yet until we see like further confirmation potentially on the 4 hour. We got an hour 20 until this 4 hour closes, but overall on the 4 hour time frame, price is still bullish. It still has bullish structure, right? We still have lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and potentially higher lows in here, right? Until this level down here gets broken, we have bullish market structure. So I wouldn't be looking to jump into any sales just yet. We just gotta wait and see how this plays out. Simple. Nothing is lining up for me at the moment in terms of a setup, because I would only be looking at buys. And if we're going to be looking at sales, it would have to be, yeah, like I said, probably down below this level, 2343160 potentially, or down below here, 2335087. And then you got a nice range down about 80 pips down into this bottom level right here. But yeah, if you're going to be looking at sales, you at least want to start seeing bearish market structure on the 5-minute time frame, right? So you want to see this move down, a pullback, a fail to break these highs, right? And then you want to see the continuation, and then you can start looking for sells in these areas, these key levels down here. But until then, there's no bearish market structure right now, right? There's just been a short-term bearish move. And if you think about how the market works, right, you have, you know, exactly the same as what happened over here, right? You have a move up, a pullback, a move up, a pullback, a move up, and now potentially, right, again, a pullback, and then a potential continuation up, right? This is how the market moves when it is in trends and within structures. So this is just what we have to watch out for, right? And like I said, what you want to look for, if price does come down here right now, starts pulling back, right, and doesn't break this high, and then starts to continue bearish again, making lows, lower lows, right, and starts making this kind of bearish structure, then we can start to look at sales, right? But until then, there's no indication at this point that gold is going to continue to sell off, right? In my opinion. You guys could disagree on that, which is fair enough. You could have a different strategy, different approach, but for me, there's nothing that, you know, is saying sells at the moment. Brit's hair, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you, man. Daniel, thank you for the rose. And Aaron Gad, thank you for the more roses I think you sent. Appreciate you guys. You guys are crazy. What did we say? When should you look for buys? Like, when can you confirm that the market is going to change from bearish to bullish? So that's why I trade breakouts, right? So if you want to confirm that price is moving from bearish to bullish, you want to look for breaks above like key levels, right? So potentially above this level right here now that has been formed, right? You could look for buys above 2359, 273, right? From here back up into these levels. You just want to look for key levels, price action. You've got the highs that were formed right here. You could look for buys above here. You got a nice 20 pip potential range further back up into here. But yeah, you just want to look for breakouts of key levels, and that's going to give you confirmation that price is going to continue bullish above these levels, and you know, you can buy it after that. You're waiting for it to hit this high right here, or this one. Equal highs and equal lows after the downtrend, and then you see the breakout instead of waiting for it to hit that high. Yeah, I mean, if you want to use that, go for it, bro. But yeah, that's this. I mean, I've showed you my stats, right? This is how I was able to be successful, right? Trading this exact strategy. So like I said, I'll wait for breaks of these highs. That's how I trade. If I don't get a break of the highs, then there's no trade, right? Same thing that happened here today. So, right, consolidation, price is in an uptrend, right? We got the highs over here. You can see, and then price broke. I entered, price drove up 100, you know. Actually, what actually did price drive up from that exact level? It drove up 168 pips in total from where I entered, right? So there's no need for me to look for equal highs or equal lows or any of that stuff. I just trade a breakout. It's that simple. Keep your trading as simple as possible. There's no need to complicate it. Can you confirm through smart money concepts? You can confirm through smart money concepts. Yeah, Haran Kang. Mustafa, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you, man. Also, if you guys are subbing on YouTube, I appreciate you guys. I can't see those notifications. It doesn't come up for some reason. I've tried to get alerts. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm gonna have to fix it. But if you have subbed on YouTube, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for all the likes. You guys are legends. Maybe you can buy that PS5. Maybe I would have if you jokingly agreed to buy me one the day. No worries, JK. JK with the, is that, who's that? That's a Villa player, yeah? Is this Jordan? Can you analyze Euro USD? I don't trade Euro USD, Cole. I try to stay away from any pair that I don't trade, just for mental clarity, just so I can stay focused on one pair and not get, you know, confused and, well, not confused, but there's not too much going on in my head. I can have absolute focus on one pair. So yeah, if you want any analysis on gold, I can do that for you, but I don't trade Euro USD. Search it up. What? Smart money concepts? Bro, I've heard of smart money concepts. Are you talking to Haran? Haran guy? But yeah, guys, I'm going to head out. It was beautiful being here with you all, chatting, looking at gold. Appreciate you. Appreciate all the love on TikTok again. All the diamonds, 214 diamonds, 4 different gifters, 23 new followers, 800 views, 207 comments, 1,520 likes. You guys are crazy, man. You're crazy. So I appreciate all the love. You guys on YouTube, I appreciate you. Like I said, for anyone who's subbed on YouTube, I appreciate you. It doesn't show the subs on YouTube for some reason, which is annoying. I need to fix that. But yeah. I'll be live tomorrow, Monday to, yo, 123, you're still here, bro. You're crazy. Thank you for all the love today, bro. Thomas sent 9 roses as well. Shit, man. You guys are going crazy. I appreciate all the love, man. 123. Sending the 200 diamonds on TikTok. I still need to learn what all this stuff means, like diamonds stuff. I still have no idea, but I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. You guys are crazy. I'll be live tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard. If you guys, you know what? I saw somebody asking for the Telegram link in the chat earlier, so I'll post that for you guys. If you want to join the Telegram, there's I send out my analysis in the Telegram every day. You guys can join that. I just posted it in the TikTok and the YouTube channel. So I send out my analysis in there. If I'm looking at a setup, you guys can follow along. Oh, Jordan, is this you, bro? What was that so delayed? Always popping in, bro. What haven't you? Well, you never said anything, my guy. You never said anything, man. How are you, bro? It's been too long. We haven't had a chat about the Villa in a while, and like right now, it's the best time to be a Villa fan. So, like we were chatting when Villa were going through that rough patch, and we were just like bitching to each other. But now, like we got some good shit to say, man. We should have a good old chat about the Villa. But I'm using that tip, focusing all of my learning on SAU because I feel it's the best time for me. Yeah, 100% Squizzy. Focusing on one pair is gonna do you the world of good, no doubt, no doubt. It's definitely gonna do you more good than it is bad, right? Focusing on so many different pairs at once is overwhelming, stressful. You know, it's not good for your brain. You're just gonna end up making mistakes. But yeah, appreciate you guys on the TikTok. I'm out. See you tomorrow. That's the TikTok done. But yeah, Squizzy, appreciate you guys coming in the YouTube. I'm just trying to grow this YouTube channel at the moment, man. So It's like, it's so hard to grow a YouTube channel. I've been trying for like years, but you know, we're getting there. What are we at right now? What are we at right now? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. We're at 3,101 subs, or 110 subs, whatever it may be. 45,000 views. And this channel was started in 2019, so peak COVID. So 5 years ish. It's took me to get 3K subscribers. So you guys know the grind right now, man. 5 years pretty much, almost, for 3,000 subs. But hey, I appreciate every single fucking one of them, like 100%. I'm proud of every single sub that I get, man. YouTube is tough, especially like trading, because I'm not the generic Forex trader who's posting about his Lambos and jewelry and private jets and all this kind of shit, right? I'm not 100%. If I was to start doing that, not that I could, right? I definitely do not have that kind of money, but I'm not like the fake guru type person posting on YouTube, right? So it's hard to get the views. So it is what it is, you know. I'm just enjoying the journey. We'll see what happens. But this is why I like TikTok, right? Because TikTok brings over a lot of people, because people are just randomly like scrolling through TikTok all the time. Like today there was 800 or so views on the TikTok live stream, right? Which is crazy. So that's why I'm doing the TikTok as well, to like try and get people over to the YouTube. And it's slowly working. You just have to outlast the fake gurus, yeah. I mean, I'm trying to create my own lane, you know. I'm not trying to go down that lane. I know I still, you know, with the education and stuff like that, but I mean, people ask me for it, you know. I'm only giving people what they're asking for, you know. People generally all the time ask me like, can you teach me? Do you have a course? Do you have education? Like, can I learn how you trade? So I'm just giving people what they're asking for, you know. To be quite honest with you, I would actually prefer just not to do the education side. But like, you know, as all wealthy people say, you need to have multiple streams of income, and that's what I'm trying to do. Trying to have multiple streams of income. YouTube potentially, we'll see how far that goes, but education, trading, also, you know, potentially in the near future, you know, can be looking at some other businesses outside of trading. I want to get into property investment eventually, but obviously that's again, you know, in the future. So, you know, I'm just trying to do my bit. Just trying to do my bit, you know, see what we can do. We're all out here just trying to make a bit of money and, you know, live a nice life as much as we can. So, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, appreciate you guys, man. Nimbus, as always, showing up. I respect you for not. They rent the Lambos. Yeah, 100%. Most of them are rented. No question about it. 100%. But yo, I would actually, you know, I'd actually love to rent a Lambo one day and just drive it. I've always wondered what it feels like to drive a Lambo or a Ferrari. I imagine it's an amazing feeling, like an insane feeling. But I definitely won't say I bought it with trading money. You're doing great. I don't talk as much these days because you're teaching, but I do enjoy talking to you, mate. Yeah, I enjoy talking to you, Nimbus. Like, how long have we known each other now, bro? Like, it's been a while, yeah. It's been a couple of years, I think. So you're another person, right? I mention Tony all the time, but you're another. I mean, Tony's been like years, like 5 or more years, I think. But I'm pretty sure you've been around a year or a couple, right? So you're another person that, you know, he has come into my life that I speak with almost every day, right? That we talk about not just trading but other things. So that's what it's about, man. Like having a good community, making friends, you know, like trading friends and long-term like friends and getting to know different people. Nah, bro. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. You don't have to say that you are, Lord, bro. You show that you are, you know. You show up every day and chat, and you're in the Discord, and You do you, bro. But yeah, I'm out, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. Let's see what tomorrow brings. What is it? Wednesday. Midweek. But yeah. See you tomorrow, guys. Appreciate you. Peace out. Don't overtrade. Don't over leverage. Don't over risk. Be smart. Protect your capital at all costs. Out.